When is the right time to change your life? Yesterday. And if you missed that, I have a good news for you. The only other option is now. In crypto, I learned a simple rule. You will never buy the exact bottom, you will never sell the exact top. The perfect moment doesn't exist. That's only a decision. And the people who move before they feel ready. Life is no different. Most intelligent, capable people don't fail because they lack ability. They stall because they wait for certainty. They tell themselves they need more time, more information, better timing, the right condition. But that moment never comes. If you already built something in your life, you probably know what your next move is. You're just being negotiating with it. You call it strategy, you call it patience, you call it being responsible. But if we're honest, it's hesitation. High-functioning people don't lack options. They draw in them. So instead moving, they analyze. Instead deciding, they optimize. Instead of acting, they simulate outcomes in their head. And it feels productive, but nothing changed. At some point, I realized something uncomfortable. The obstacle wasn't the market, it wasn't the economy, it wasn't the environment. It was me, trying to remove uncertainty before moving. And that's impossible. Uncertainty isn't a sign you shouldn't act. It's the price of growth. The real danger isn't taking a risk. The real danger is building a life that works but no longer feel aligned. So you maintain it, you adjust around it, you make it more comfortable, but you don't evolve it. And years pass. Most people don't regret taking calculated risk. They regret waiting too long. Because momentum fades, energy drops, and the move that felt exciting once start to feel heavy. You don't need more time. You need a decision. Not 10 ideas, not a 5 years plan, one clear move. Because clarity doesn't come before action. It comes from action. If something in your life feels like it's waiting, it probably is. And it's not waiting for better timing. It's waiting for you to stop negotiating with yourself. That's exactly why I started working with a small number of people, one-to-one. No long programs, no theory, one session, one decision. If you feel like that's where you are right now, the link is below. I keep these spots very limited because this only works when I can give it real attention. Take the step or don't, but stop pretending you need more time.